Well, a very good evening and a warm welcome to Cheshire Cars video review of our recently purchased directly from the owner, who in turn bought the vehicle from a BMW dealer. Every service is by BMW. We've just had a brake fluid service carried out by Lucas BMW here in Crewe last week, and I've spent most of the day, or all today, detailing the inside because Tim had injured his knee, so I had to get on the tools. So one of the good things about doing that is you get to see everything there is about the vehicle, and the finish that has been presented in the video, I hope you agree, is absolutely spectacular. Peter from our detailing partner and has detailed the outside of the car, so that means he's machine polished it and applied a ceramic coating. We do a lot more to vehicles than most dealers will do, and we don't charge any extra for presenting the car in this condition. So just to give you an idea of how much time has been lavished on the vehicle, and every vehicle, not just this one, we spend nearly 4 hours washing the car down first, because without that you can't present the car with this finish. So it's a 2019 on a 69 plate 420D M Sport Coupe. It has the high gloss black grills and a high gloss rear boot spoiler, and also wing mirrors. They're heated and folding. You have the M Performance braking and the 19-inch upgraded wheels with, I did say in an earlier video, Bridgestones, but they're actually Goodyear Eagles. So matching tyres, Goodyear Eagles, and there is the M Performance brake caliper painted blue, of course. Jim and Lucetti has been last week to refresh the wheels for us, so they are all in exceptional condition, absolutely brilliant. We will take the car to our workshop partners, and there will be an inspection carried out probably towards the end of this week, early next week. The vehicle is available with UK delivery. We've been delivering cars for 13 years without a single rejection, so you have complete confidence in what we present and say to you. Whatever we say to you will be the vehicle you have dropped off at your front door. No money's exchanged, well, no major money's exchanged until you've seen it, approved it and driven it, and then it's by bank transfer. Currently delivery is £1.50 a mile. We understand it's not for everyone to buy a car unseen, so you're more than welcome to come and see the car here at HQ in Crewe. It also has Harman Kardon stereo system, which is another upgrade, and it has also been fitted with rear privacy glass. Beautiful car. The seats, by the way, will fold down, so they are a 60-40 split, and I'll just give you a quick demonstration of how easy that is. In the boot, if you just look at this here, you bring that lever back, that will fold the seat down one side, and there's another lever over on the opposite side for that as well. It's run flat tyres, so there's no compressor or repair kit, so it's a run flat tyre system, which is, I think, well, better than it's the best of a bad bunch, really. I don't think those compressors are any good at all, but that's what gets put into a lot of cars these days. You don't even get an emergency spare. But BMW on this car have given the car, there's a dandelion in there, just one of the buds off a dandelion. Goodness me, it's creeped in. So that's an extra bit of storage there as well. It's an absolutely stunning car, and we are absolutely delighted that we can network with so many nice people, and Ian has maintained the vehicle regardless, and spent all the servicing with BMW. There are pictures in the montage of images which clearly identifies the servicing, the dates, etc., but it hasn't missed a service, has not missed a service, and like I've said, everyone was done by BMW. Let's hop in the car, just carefully just bring the door to open. It's a sumptuous interior. It's very well appointed and very well put together. Every car that we have is pretty much forensically cleaned inside. It's like a crime scene. I know I use that word quite a lot, and people say, I'm sure some people think, oh no, there's no chance, Dave, you can get the car looking like a new car. But you can if you have attention to detail. And for example, all the touch points of the vehicle has been hand cleaned by hot water, a cleaning solution, a magic sponge and a microfiber cloth. Everything down to cracks on there, anything you can see that's been touched with your hands, gear selector, handbrake, armrest, seats, dashboard, everything, sun visors, seat belts, absolutely everything. This car is absolutely spotless. We can't speak for anyone else, but we'd be very surprised if you could find a car as good as this one. So it has professional navigation, which is a large screen navigation, which we have got up and running at the moment. It has heated seats. You won't need them at this moment in time, but heated seats, air conditioning you will need. I'll just turn that off, it's a little bit cool in here. All working perfectly well. Climate control, paddle shift, electric and heated folding wing mirrors. Let me just extract myself. There's a button just there, probably just there. Yep, press that in, and there you go, the mirrors fold in. When you're reversing the car, the mirror on the passenger side will automatically dip to give you an extra aid for reversing. The mileage is 38,390 miles, and it also has a digital cockpit. So if you can look at the left here and see the big 0 just there, well, that 0 is the mileometer, so the speedometer, sorry. So when you set off, you'll see it going from 5, 10, 15, 20, so you've got a good vision of what speed you're doing. And of course then you've got the cruise control and speed limiter to keep you within the legal limits. You can change the performance of the car through Sport Plus, Sport, Eco, Pro and Comfort. We have it in Comfort. It's an 8-speed ZF gearbox, bulletproof. We've never experienced any problems with them at all, and we've been retailing these now. They must have been BMW now, must have been 15 years with this gearbox. There'll be probably software updates in that time, but it's still an 8-speed gearbox like it was in 2011, yeah. So it's an unbelievable gearbox. You have storage and a USB in there. You have a 12-volt in there. You have 2 key fobs. We have both key fobs, and as I say, we have complete service file as well. So that is our 2019 69 420 M Sport Coupe with 38,390 miles. It's available from us now in Crewe in Cheshire. Come and see the car, but do please telephone, make an appointment, email. Don't just turn up because we may well be out, or indeed have sold the car already. Most of our cars sell within the first 4 to 5 weeks of actually placing them on Auto Trader and Facebook and other social media platforms, including our fantastic YouTube channel with almost 1.5 million views and almost 2,000 subscribers. We also buy cars, so if you have a car to sell, get in touch with us at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. Car finance and part exchange are available on this vehicle should you require, either by ringing through to us, emailing us, or you can propose yourself online without speaking to anyone. You can also exchange online without speaking to anyone. As I say, all your statutory rights are absolutely guaranteed. There are very few stone chips. I didn't mention that, so my apologies, but there are very few stone chips. The ones that there are, we have used a BMW touch-up pencil. It's Alpine White, and I've mentioned the wheels. Well, that goes without saying. There are no scuffs to the wing mirrors, door edges, no dents in the car, no scratches in the car. It's been machine polished and it's had a ceramic coating applied, but that is the case with all our vehicles. We are very well known for detailing them. We just fitted a pair of Bosch wiper blades as well this afternoon, because the ones that were on it were just slightly smearing the windscreen. I'm just trying to sort of look back at the same time so I don't trip over something. So there we go, folks. That's our 2019 on the 69 420D M Sport Coupe in Alpine White, available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Well, have a fantastic evening, and we hope to hear of you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.